Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students. Under Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the allele frequencies remain constant from generation to generation in the absence of any evolutionary forces such as mutation, migration, genetic drift, natural selection, and non-random mating. So the allele frequencies can be calculated from the genotypic ratios in the population. For example, P will be the frequency of A allele and Q will be the frequency for the small a allele. The total frequency of individuals in the population will be 1. So according to Hardy-Weinberg equation, P square plus 2PQ plus Q square will be equal to 1, where P square, Q square and 2PQ. P square represents the frequency of capital A homozygotes. Q square represents the frequency of small a homozygotes, and 2PQ that represents the frequency of capital A heterozygotes. So therefore in this population P square is equal to 0.25, Q square is equal to 0.25 and 2PQ is equal to 0.5. Now a new population so that is founded by a group of 4 individuals drawn at random from the original population. The probability of new population having different allele frequencies from the original population depends on the random sampling of the 4 individuals. The probability that all 4 individuals have the same genotype, that is capital A, capital A small a or small a will be, for capital A it will be 1 by 4 raised to 4, which is equal to 1 by 256. For capital A small a it will be equal to 1 by 2 raised to 4, which will be equal to 1 by 16. For small a it will be equal to 1 by 4 raised to 4, which will be 1 by 256. The probability that at least one individual has a different genotype from the others will be, for capital A that will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 256, which will be equal to 255 divided by 256. For capital A small a that will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 16 equal to 15 by 16, and for small a it will be equal to 1 by 256 equal to 255 by 256. Therefore, the probability that the founding or starting group differ in the allele frequencies from the population from which it was derived is the probability that at least one individual has a different genotype from the others. That is here 15/16 for capital A, small a individuals. The new population will have the same allele frequencies as the original population. If the founding group is representative of the original population and the population is large enough to prevent the genetic drift. If the founding group has different allele frequencies, the new population may experience a founder effect, which is a type of genetic drift that occurs when a small group of individuals establishes a new population. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.